Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can install the TeamViewer into your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we just need to open a browser, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match, maximize this. In the search bar, simply type TeamViewer download, hit enter. And here you will find the TeamViewer from www.teamviewer.com. You can also directly type the link from www.teamviewer.com. Hit enter. Now the same thing, simply click on this. And here we need to simply click on download for free. Click on this. Now you have here free download. So let's go with this option because we are just going to download this for free. Click on download now. Click on download TeamViewer. And as you can see, the setup file will be downloaded. Now once downloaded, click on the folder icon and then double click on the setup file and close the remaining windows. Now here we just need to click on accept next and wait for this to be installed into your Windows. Now click on I accept and click on continue. Click on OK. Now maximize this. And there you go, you have just installed the TeamViewer into your Windows. You can simply click on sign into TeamViewer if you already have an account. You can also confirm if this is installed. Simply search for TeamViewer. Click on it under the best match. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.